Did you know that there is a difference between I am in the church and I am in church? My name is Kosa Christiana, and my aim is to help you speak the English language better, pronounce words correctly, and improve your writing skills. In this video, we'll be talking about three expressions you may have been using wrongly, and I'll talk about the right or correct versions, and I'll tell you the meaning and their differences. The first one is I am in the church and I am in church. These are two different expressions. The first one, which is I am in the church, means that you are physically inside the church building. But I am in church means that you're participating in worship or that you are in the church service. It does not necessarily mean that you are inside the church building. So this is the difference. The THE, which is the definite article there, differentiates it. So the next time you want to use these two expressions, you know which one is suitable for your context. How do you do? I am fine. No, this is wrong. This is because there is a difference between how do you do and how are you. How do you do is a formal greeting usually used when you meet someone for the first time. It's not like an inquiry to know how you're feeling or how you are. So when someone meets you for the first time, it's okay to say, how do you do to the person? And the person's response should be, how do you do? Because it doesn't require an answer like, I am fine or I am not fine. You only respond, I am fine or I am not fine when someone asks, how are you? Did you get that? Did you know that benefit of doubt is wrong? The right version is benefit of the doubt. Now, what does it mean? Benefit of the doubt is simply believing or trusting someone even when you're not entirely sure. Let's take, for example, you're a teacher and you gave your students an assignment. Then, on the day of submission, one of your students says that she did not come with her assignment because she forgot it at home. You may choose to give her the benefit of the doubt by believing what she said. If you watched to this point, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching once again, and bye. I'll see you in my next video.